All right, here we are at the organizing and draft. So once you have collected evidence, you have brainstormed ideas, you're going to write a draft. So first, you're going to start with an introduction paragraph. Remember that this paper is going to be a total of 5 paragraphs. So you're going to write an introduction paragraph. Make sure you pick one of the 7 types of introductions we learned. I encourage you to do this to practice different ways to write a good introduction. And also it takes your writing up to the next level. Okay, then you will begin your body paragraphs. There are 3 body paragraphs. In the first body paragraph, you're going to choose 2 myths from the article 10 Myths About Immigration. Use facts provided in the article, or you can use facts from the push and pull factors of migration to prove those 2 myths wrong. So in this paragraph, you're going to identify 2 myths. You're going to use facts from articles to prove the myths wrong. And remember to have a topic in concluding sentence. Okay, next body paragraph, you're going to explain how the Grande family proves one of the myths wrong. It could be one of the myths you wrote about in your first body paragraph here, or it could be another one. It is up to you. So you're going to use 10 myths about immigration and provide examples from the distance between us to prove one of those myths wrong. So again, identify one myth about immigration from the article and use examples from the distance between us to prove the myth wrong. Again, make sure you have topic and concluding sentences. Okay, now your final body paragraph. So the third body paragraph, you're going to describe what are the negative consequences or dangers of myths for both immigrants and the communities that they live in. So you're going to have to think about this, use some critical thinking, think about this deeply. Okay, and then you remember to support your ideas with facts, examples, or details from one of our class sources. Okay, and again, remember a topic and concluding sentence. And then your 5th paragraph, the final paragraph of your paper, your conclusion paragraph. Choose one of the 7 ways that you learned to write a good conclusion paragraph. You can pick one that you feel is the best way to end your paper. Remember, it is important not to introduce any new information in your conclusion paragraph.